My name is Aren Buresh, and I'm a strategist here at Gorilla 76. The heart of what I'm trying to do is produce results for my clients. So I want to learn what they care about, where they want to go, and then work with them on strategies to get them there. Wherever you are, I think marketing first and foremost is an opportunity. Just telling your story as a company and attracting your ideal fit customers. Marketers are talking to everybody. They're talking to sales, they're talking to top leadership, they're talking to engineers in your company. They get to be all over the place, and I think that's what's drawn me to it. It is the people you work with. My philosophy in marketing is communicating how you solve a problem. Who do you help and how do you help them? Like once you figure that out, then you can layer on your tactics. One of the most important things in my life, both professionally and personally, is relationships. People really motivate me. You can be heads down, like strategically thinking, but if I worked alone, I would not be a good marketer. And I think that's what I strive for, being somebody people can come to